Howdy and welcome to day 16 of jard'slog. It's like 9 something, like 9:10, 9:11-ish. I'm going to get breakfast real quick. And then after that I have class again. So it's Calc 3, the freshman physics orientation, and then the physics course. So let's see how that goes. I need to find out the physics professor's office hours because I'm still confused about most of the homework kind of thing. So yeah, I really don't have much else to say right now. So thanks for stopping by. And wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Oh my goodness. I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm back in the dorm room. Just got done with my first class today. And I completely forgot that it's, for most of the rest of the world, a 3-day weekend. But nope, our school makes us still go on Labor Day, so that's great. So yeah, everyone else is getting to enjoy a nice 3-day weekend, and I'm having to do calculus. So I mean, it wasn't too bad. The class wasn't too bad today, but soon I'll probably have to go eat lunch. And then after that, I have the freshman orientation at like 3 or whatever. And then after that, since I'll already be in the Mitchell building, I'm gonna go try to see if my professor's in his room. Cause see, he told us, like, he's kind of like playing it by ear with the office hours, cause he's trying to figure out like when would be most beneficial to us. And I think at one point he had mentioned, like, I'm thinking about this time, but like it's not on the syllabus or anything, so I'm gonna have to just go check to see like if he's in there, and if he's not, I can just wait till after class and ask him, I guess. But I have a lot of questions, so I think going in at an office hours time would be better. So yeah, I mean, not much else to say. Probably gonna just relax for now, eat, go to the orientation thing at 3 or whatever. After that, check my professor's office, see if he's there, ask my questions, go to his class after that, and then be done for the day. Honestly, it's kind of low stress currently, just because most of my classes don't have homework or anything. If they do, it's very minimal. So right now I'm actually finding college more relaxing than high school, which I think for most people it isn't, because they're not adjusted to having to do like homework and stuff. But right now there's not much for me, so I'm doing pretty good currently. So that's about it for now. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I just checked my Texas A&M email, and this is shortly after recording the last bit. And turns out our professor is gonna be in his like office today from 12 to 2. So that means I'm probably gonna go eat lunch now, and then head down there and ask him all my questions, because I have a lot of them. And he also said I could ask him. I got an email. I'm like, yeah, he sent this out to everyone. He said we could ask him after class, but that's gonna be packed. So I'm gonna try to head down there, and ask a bunch of questions and stuff. So that's about it for now, and I'll be back shortly, probably after I have received help on my homework. Alright, I'm back in the room. The homework thing, like when I went to the office hours, they helped a lot, answered a couple of my questions here and there. There's one of them I was thinking a little too hard about, like I was overthinking it. One of them I'd misinterpreted arctangent properties and stuff like that, so that wasn't too bad. It's 6B, and the question is determine the potential and kinetic energies of the spring. I don't know, like what's going on, like this, like the oscillator as a whole. And so I asked him what it was asking for. And then he started talking about like, a bunch of equations and stuff like that, but it still didn't answer the question of what was the question asking. And so I have no idea what I'm gonna put for that, because like I understood like there's you can write potential energy equations relative to x. You can write velocity. I mean, you can write kinetic energy questions relative to x kind of thing. And so I'm just super duper confused about what the heck the problem is asking. Like, I have zero clue what he wants. Though I think I may be able to make them like relative to time and like graph them or something. And so I may try that. So that was it. And there was the graphing one had like 3, which is the one I didn't do because there was graphing in it. Had like an x over a in there, and he said a was just an arbitrary constant, and that we could do weird stuff with our axis, use like making y v of x over v naught kind of thing, like scale it so that way it's way simpler kind of thing. So I can do that easily. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna finish that up tonight and tomorrow. Got that freshman orientation at 3. It's like 1:40 now, so I'm gonna relax maybe for like 50 minutes or so, and then head off to class again, I guess. So, you know, it's going okay today. Not as easy as last week, unfortunately, but, you know, it is what it is and isn't what it isn't. So, I'll be back shortly. Alright, it's like 7:50 currently, and I just did all but one problem in the physics homework. So, you know, I'm almost done, and that last question I don't think will be too bad. And it's only one part of the last question. It's that 6B that I'm still not 100% sure what he's asking, but I'm sure whatever it is, I'll be good. But I'm planning on relaxing for the rest of the night. I'm probably gonna edit this video real quick and then play some Chrono Trigger tonight because it's been too long. So I really don't have much else to say. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again sometime.